In today's video, we will know some disadvantages of eating an eggplant. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest videos notification. Let's get started. Disadvantages of eggplant. 1. Can stimulate menstruation. Eggplant is diuretic in nature, and because of this reason, pregnant women are advised not to consume it on a regular basis as it can stimulate menstruation in them. 2. May lead to abortion. Eggplant is a good source of a number of vitamins, minerals, fibers, etc. And the presence of these compounds make them very beneficial for our health. 3. May causes acidic problems. Consuming eggplant may cause acidity problem, and for this reason, too, it is advised to avoid eggplant during pregnancy. 4. Can cause allergic reactions. Eggplant is very beneficial for us and provides a lot of health benefits. However, they may cause allergic reactions in some individuals, as per studies performed by India's Central Food Research Institute. Some common reactions of eggplant allergy are swelling of throat, nausea, itchiness, and rashes. 5. May contain nicotine. As per a report published in the New England Journal of Medicine, 1993, eggplant contains the highest amount of nicotine in them. Nicotine is the same addictive substance that is found in tobacco and which make people addicted to smoking and chewing tobacco. 6. Too much potassium and fibers is bad. Eggplant is a good source of a number of compounds like folate, potassium, fiber, etc. And the presence of these compounds make them very beneficial for our health. 7. Can cause spinach poisoning. Eggplant is a good source of nitrates that naturally converts into nitrites in our stomach. Later, these nitrates react with amino acids of proteins and form nitrosamines. 8. Interfere with antidepressant drugs. If you are on an antidepressant or anti-hypertensive medicines, then it is better to stop adding eggplant to your diet. This is because eggplant contains a small amount of tramlines, is a pressor-amine that constricts blood vessels and raises blood pressure. 9. May give false positive result in carcinoid tumors test. Eggplant may interfere with the test result of carcinoid tumors, and it is advisable to stop consuming eggplant at least 72 hours before the test. 10. Other disadvantages. Raw eggplants are not poisonous. However, the leaves and flowers of the plant can be toxic. Plants in the nightshade family, which includes eggplants, potatoes, peppers and tomatoes. If you like the video, then hit to the like button, share the video with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for amazing fitness and diet related videos, and also press the bell icon for the latest notification whenever I post the video for your fitness growth. Thanks for watching. Smiling face with smiling eyes.